It has been a very long time coming, but I am finally so pleased to be able to announce the pre-order of my new cookbook. This is called Vegan Vibes, and I am so excited for you to get your hands on this glorious cookbook. It is full of 100 delicious, easy to make, colorful, nourishing, filling, and did I say delicious? Vegan recipes, and also plenty of advice for starting and maintaining a healthy vegan lifestyle. I'm so excited for the book. So please tap the link in the description box down below to order this new cookbook right now. The official release is February 4th, but that is just around the corner. And listen, pre-orders mean so much in the success of a cookbook. So I'd really appreciate it if you just take a moment to pre-order this book. I promise you will be so happy that you did. You are going to be so pleased once this cookbook arrives at your front door. And I'm going to be doing some pre-sale bonuses as well later as we continue this rollout of the cookbook. So make sure you order it now, and then I will let you guys know about what type of bonuses are coming to all the people who pre-ordered the cookbook. And to hear about those, make sure you've also signed up for my newsletter. Link for that is down below as well. But first things first, let's just get that pre-order in, honey, because I am feeling like 2025 is going to be my New York Times bestseller year. I'm just saying, I feel it, but it's totally up to you guys if we can make that happen. So please help a sister out, pre-order the cookbook, and let's dive into more about this cookbook, yeah? This new cookbook, Vegan Vibes, is full of 100 delicious, colorful, and nutritious vegan recipes that are inspired by my Southern roots, my amazing family, my travels all around the world, and of course, the melting pot that is Atlanta, which is my hometown. This city is full of so many different cultures and so many different types of cuisine. So I had to take some inspiration when I wrote this book to, give homage to all the different types of cultures that are here in Atlanta. I like to think of it as a melting pot between Southern ingredients and flavors and the rest of the world. Sort of fusion, that type of thing. But I promise you, you are going to love the recipes in this book. But not only are there 100 amazing recipes in this cookbook, I also dove deep into the nutrition of plant-based eating, vegan myths, why you might want to go vegan, also all the ways that you can live a healthy, sustainable, thriving vegan life, and kitchen tools, pantry essentials, all the things that you need to make cooking and eating healthy easy for you. It's all in here. Some of my favorite recipes in this cookbook are the gochujang corn ribs, the curried red bean tacos with peach salsa. So good. And also desserts like the miso caramel banana pudding. Let me just tell you. And of course, there are plenty of sweet potato recipes, like one of my favorites, the sweet potato butter, which we really should have packaged and sold at a store, but I couldn't wait for that. I had to put it in the cookbook so you can make it at home. It's amazing. Also, one of my favorite sweet potato and just generally my favorite recipes in this cookbook, this lentil sweet potato salad on the back of the book. It is one of those things that you are going to want to make for meal prep week after week, year after year, forever. It's just that good. If I had a restaurant, I would put these recipes on the menu. That's what I was going for. Things that I am proud to serve to people, that really will light people up, that people will be thinking and talking about for weeks after they've had the meal. Those are the recipes that are in this cookbook. And I wanted to keep them easy and easy-ish because we're all busy. I'm a busy working mom. And even though my job is food, I still find it hard to cook meals and to meal prep like I know we're supposed to be doing. So I wanted to make sure that the recipes in this cookbook are approachable for everyone. The reason I call this book Vegan Vibes is I feel like a vegan vibe is all about love, flavor, positive energy, good feelings, yummy food, and I love it. And I want to be able to share those good vibes with you. Whether you are vegan or not, it does not matter. These recipes are for everybody, no matter where you're approaching this from. That is what I think of as a vegan vibe, and I'm going to help you catch that vibe, and you can be vibing with me all you want, honey. Just pre-order the cookbook, all right? Don't forget, you gotta pre-order it today. That's gonna mean so much to how well this cookbook does, and the link to order is down below. Okay. I don't know if I've shared this story recently or at all, but when I first became vegan in 2011, I had an epiphany that my life should be dedicated to helping other people go vegan. And not just any type of vegan, but to live a healthy, sustainable, thriving vegan lifestyle. Now, I became vegan for animals, but after I became vegan, within a few months, I realized all the other benefits. My health improved so much. I realized the impact that eating animals also has on the environment. And as far as living in alignment with my principles, I felt so much better when I became vegan. So I always wanted to help other people do that. And of course, I started the blog. I started a private chefing company. I did all sorts of online programs, cooking classes, in-home cooking, some catering. And now I finally get to share a culmination of 14 years of working with people, helping people become vegan, learning how to become the best vegan chef I possibly can, all in this cookbook so that you too can get the most out of your plant-based diet. Or even if you're just eating vegan once a week, you get the most out of that moment. I am confident that this cookbook is going to help you live your best life, whether you're vegan or not, even if that just means eating the most delicious, nourishing food that you can. Because trust me, what you put into your body trickles out into all areas of your life. Like they say, you are what you eat. So start eating right, y'all, and I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you get there, okay? This cookbook would not be possible without all of your support. So I give so much thanks to all of you for watching my videos, making the recipes on the blog, signing up for my newsletter, following me on social media. Thank you so much, because without your support, I couldn't have done this. I wouldn't even have been able to get a book deal. So thank you so much. And this cookbook is for you guys. I did dedicate it to Baby J, I will say, but also I dedicate it to all of you. I know you're gonna love it, and I'm so grateful for all the support that you continue to give me here on this channel and on all of my platforms. So thank you guys. I can't wait for you to get your hands on this cookbook. I'll be sharing more, including some recipes as the months go by. And like I said, I'm gonna be doing some pre-order bonuses just for the people who pre-order this cookbook. So go ahead and order, and thank you so much in advance. Share it with all your friends too, okay? Share it with your friends, your mama's friends, your daddy's friends, your teacher's friends, your neighbors, your cousins, your cousin's cousins. Share with everybody, and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Yay! Bye.